Okay, gang, we're going to start off today on page 7. And when you get to page 7, you'll probably think, well, it's blank. Well, we're going to do this problem on page 7 together on the blank page. So we're going to go to page 7. On page 7, I want you to write these 7 numbers down. 30 degrees, 34 degrees, 26 degrees, 29 degrees, 21, 33, and then 93. So these are the temperatures in Portland, Maine last week. Now, I may have made them up, but let's just pretend that these are the temperatures. You may notice that the 93 is like really far away from the other data. We talked about this yesterday when we did our last name graphs or line plots. This number is called an outlier. It's really far away. So we're going to do 3 things. We're going to find the mean, the median, and then we're going to see which one measures the data more accurately. So let's start off by finding the mean. So to find the mean, we're going to add them all up. So we're going to find the sum of the data, and then we're going to divide it by the number. How many people? Oh boy, look at that number set. Number of data. Okay, well, did my best with that. Okay, so to sum it up, we're going to just add up all 7. There aren't any that repeat, so we're just going to have to add up just 7 individual numbers, which is, it's fine. So we're going to add those up. Oh boy. It's getting wild now. Here we go. Plus 33 plus 93. And we're going to divide that all by 7. So see if you can beat me. I'm going to use my calculator to get the sum. So we're going to take all the degrees, and we're going to add them up. 30 plus 34 plus 26 plus 29 plus 21 plus 33 plus 93. And we get the answer of 266. So that's all the degrees over the last 7 days. It was 266 degrees. And we're going to divide that by how many days we had, which would be 7. Let's see what we get. Uh-oh, we cleared it. 266 divided by 7. Oh, it's exactly 38. 38 degrees. Okay. All right, let's now find the median, which is the middle number. Now, when you find the median, it's really important that you line up the numbers from least to greatest, because if you don't, then your middle may not be the middle. So we'll start with 21. 21 is our least number. And then 26. And then 29. We're just lining them up from least to greatest. 30, 33, 34, and 93. All right, let's find the middle one. So what we're going to do is we're going to cross off. We have 7 numbers, so we're going to have a middle 1. Let's cross them off until we get the middle 1, because we have an odd number of numbers. Cross, 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 cross. It looks like our median, which is the middle number, is 30 degrees. So now the question is, which number, 38 or 30, would measure the center of the data more accurately? Well, I'm going to just kind of take a look at each number. So you have 38 degrees. Every single temperature is below 38 degrees except for 93. So to me, that doesn't really seem like the center of the data if there's 6 of them that are below that and only 1 that's above. 30. 30 is our median. And it seems like most of these temperatures, except for 93, are around 30. Some are less, some are more, but they're around 30. So I'm thinking that because we had that outlier, this 93 is an outlier. That outlier pulled up the mean. It pulled it up to 38. So that would mean that this number, 38, is not as accurate for the center because there's an outlier. So which number should we use? We're going to use the median. So we use the median because there is an outlier. That extreme number pulled up the mean. It didn't really do much to the median. That 30 is still in the middle because there is an outlier. or an extreme number. Okay. So this is our answer to the question. 30 degrees is like the typical temperature for that week in Maine, except for that one day of 93, but most of the other days are around 30. Okay. Now we're going to skip to page 10. We should have done pages 8, 9 yesterday when we talked about last names. Now we're going to go to page 10. Here we go.